So welcome to all of you in the grammar advanced session, and today what the topic we are going to discuss, that is called used to, be used to, get used to, right? Okay, can anyone send me the link again in the group, because Archana is asking. Anyone? Share the link in the group again.
I will share.
Okay, thank you, Sunil. Okay. So guys, I will share the PDF. No need to worry. Just listen, focus on the understanding part. So the today's topic is used to, be used to, get used to. Sometimes we get confused between these three terms, ki where we have to put used to, where we have to put be used to, and where we have to put get used to. Okay. Used to. First is used to, very simple, very important, and most of the time we only use this word used to, right? Because this word we know in detail. So used to, the structure. What is the structure? Because whenever you have to construct these sentences, you should know the structure in advance. So what is the structure of used to? Subject plus used to, followed by the mother form. Followed by the mother form. Okay. Like for example, I used to have a lot of free time. I used to have a lot of free time. Used to. Let's see another example. I used to have really short hair. I used to have really short hair. So used to, you always used in the past time. Whenever we talk about the past time, so always use used to. Whenever it is a past habit. Whenever we did the things in the past. In that case, we use used to. Now, this is very important. I have written for you. Dekho, used to is used for the past habit. Used to is used for the past habit. Common action in the past, don't do it anymore. हम past में वो action करते थे, अब वो action हम नहीं करते. Like for example, in the past, I have written some sentences. In the past, I ate junk food. Past में मैं junk food खाती थी. But now, I don't eat junk food. But अब मैं वो junk food नहीं खाती. My habit has been changed. So how I construct this sentence into English? I used to eat junk food. I used to eat junk food. What does it mean? What does it mean? I used to eat junk food. Yes. What does it mean?
Yes, junk food लेते थे पहले.
हाँ, but मतलब मैं past में.
I don't take it now.
But right now I'm not taking the junk food. But yes, it was my habit to take the junk food. So whenever it was your past habit, whenever you did any action in the past, but now you are not doing that action, so you always take the help of used to. Used to. Now here I have written D and to are connected. इसको आप ऐसे pronounce नहीं करेंगे. I used to eat junk food. D के ऊपर you will not emphasize. D और टू जो है वो merge हो जाएगा, connect है. तो आप इसको ऐसे ही बोलेंगे, although D is here, but आप बोलेंगे इसको how to pronounce this. I used to. I used to.
Used to.
Okay, I used to eat junk food. Clear? Whenever we talk about the past habit, that was in the past, but right now we are not doing that action. Now, used to, as I already discussed, the structure of the used to, subject plus used to plus followed by the mother verb. I used to smoke. I used to smoke. मैं smoke किया करती थी. I used to smoke. It was my past habit, but right now I'm not doing. I used to eat junk food. Sunil, can you tell me what is the verb in this sentence? I used to eat junk food.
Eat.
You used to love dancing.
Love.
Love. She used भी लिख सकते हैं used to. वैसे यहाँ पर used to आएगा. She used to go for a walk after walk. You go. Sorry, go is a verb. So what is the structure of a used to? Subject plus used to plus verb. And it is not mandatory कि always you have to take the subject I. So that's why I have written different subjects. I, you, she. It is not, you cannot do this thing कि she आया है तो you will change uses to. No. Used to ही आपको लिखना है. It is mandatory. Whatever the subject it is, whether it is singular, whether it is plural, you have to use used to. Used to will
Ma'am.
not change according to the subject.
Ma'am, can I say it's a model? Model what?
No.
Model.
No. Used to is a different verb. This is not a verb. Used to is not a verb here.
No.
Okay, एक इसको समझो कि बस used to we cannot consider as a modal verb, but if you think so, in action verb तो नहीं है, then you can say consider it as a modal verb. That is okay. That is okay. That is okay. But इनका जो वो होता है ना function, that is very much different. That is very much different because Sunil, when we talk about the modal verb, so we cannot say कि whether it is past, whether it is present, whether it is future. But if we say used to, so it is understood that we are talking about the past.
इसे prepositional clause कह सकते हैं मैडम.
Prepositional clause. Why?
Yes.
Prepositional phrase, sorry.
Prepositional phrase.
ये to से जुड़कर आया ना, verb is combination with use.
नहीं.
Preposition.
यहाँ पर verb तो पहले आ गया ना, verb तो पहले आ गया और then to आया है. Then to आया है. Prepositional phrase होता है to and noun. To and noun. That is called the prepositional phrase.
Okay.
ठीक है. आप जैसे यहाँ पर अगर to smoke पूछोगे, to smoke, that is the prepositional phrase. But here we are not talking about the prepositional phrase. Just keep in there, forget about this thing. Now it is modal verb, it is prepositional phrase. You just need to focus on the functions of the used to. Ki in which scenario you have to use used to. This is more important. No one will ask you whether it is a modal verb, whether it is a functional verb, whether it is a main. Everyone will ask you how to use this used to. Surgical gloves used to be very cheap. So now, what is the subject in this sentence?
Subject is
Surgical
surgical
gloves.
gloves.
Surgical gloves. So surgical gloves is a subject here. Surgical gloves used to be very cheap. Used to be matlab past में होते थे, but now they are not. But now they are not. Are you getting? So that's why you can use a different subject. It's not mandatory that you always use I. He, she, it, you, they. कुछ भी friend, कुछ भी subject you can use for used to. But used to is used only for the past. Can you make any one sentence of used to? Just try. Hi, Manju.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. Good evening. Just try one sentence of used to. Whatever is your past habit. Yes. Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I used to morning work daily.
I used to.
Morning work daily.
नहीं. रूबी क्या स्ट्रक्चर बताया था? Used to के बाद क्या आता है? Verb. कहाँ है verb इस सेंटेंस में? Where is the verb?
Work in a multinational company.
Yes, Indrani, speak again.
I used to work in a multinational company.
Yes, I used to work in a multinational company. Excellent. Next, everyone be ready. Very simple.
I used to work late night.
I used to work late night. Very good. Yes.
I used to.
Verb लगाओ. Put the verb.
Just a minute. I used to.
ऐसा कौन सा पास्ट हैबिट था सुनील जिसको बताने में इतना दिक्कत आ रही है?
पहले याद आया मैम, फिर भूल गया.
नहीं, ऐसी कौन सी पास्ट हैबिट है? Eagerly we want to learn ना. कि ऐसी कौन सी पास्ट हैबिट? हाँ.
पहले याद आया, अब भूल गया बिल्कुल ही.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. Just try any past habit जो बचपन में किया करते थे, पास्ट में किया. I'm not saying बचपन, but that should be your past. वो 1 साल पुराना भी हो सकता है.
I used to go school on my foot.
I used to go
school.
नहीं, go और school के बाद कोई preposition नहीं आएगा.
On my foot.
I used to go to school. I used to go to school on my foot. ठीक है. Next.
I used to eat non-veg when in my childhood.
Yes, I used to eat non-veg. But Manju, there is no need to mention the childhood because
Childhood.
here we are talking about the past.
Past.
Past. So I used to eat non-veg in my Acha. I used to eat non-veg. That is
Non-veg.
perfectly okay. I used to eat non-veg.
We used to get scared with coronavirus.
We
Used to
huh?
scared with coronavirus. Get
We-
scared or scared?
Scared. देखो mother form use होगा guys. Only the mother
Okay,
forms
okay.
you can use.
Scared with coronavirus.
We used to scare with coronavirus. We used to scare, not scared. Not
Scared.
scared. ठीक है? Great. Now, in negative sentence also we can use used to. In negative sentences we can also use used to. Like, इसका structure क्या है? देखो guys, structure you have to keep into your mind. Subject plus didn't and then used to. अब used to हो जाएगा, used to नहीं होगा. Why? What is the reason behind it?
क्योंकि
Did
did past form already
Did
लग चुका है
past
पहले।
form.
हाँ, did is in the past form. Did is from the do family. So do family के according mother verb should be used.
Verb के first form.
So use आएगा, used नहीं आएगा. Whenever we are using in the negative form. So always use. Didn't use. Don't say didn't used. This is wrong. Okay, clear? I didn't used to have a lot of free time. I didn't used to have a lot of free time. अगर आप बोलते हो I used to have a lot of free time, what does it mean?
मेरे पास free time होता था.
मेरे
वक्त
पास
होता
free
था.
time बहुत होता था. I didn't used to have a lot of free time. मेरे पास उस समय free time नहीं होता था, but right now I am free. But right now I am free. I didn't used to have really short hair. What does it mean? I used to have really short hair.
मेरे बाल
Short
छोटे
hair
होते
था.
थे.
Past my hair is very
हाँ,
short.
past में मेरे बाल छोटे थे. I didn't
अब-
used to have really short hair. Past में मैं बाल छोटे नहीं रखती थी. I have long hair. I had long hair. I had long hair. I didn't used to smoke. मैं smoke नहीं करती थी, but now I'm starting. But now I have started. I didn't used to smoke. Agar if you are not doing that thing in the past, but now you have started, so you have to use did not use. Did not use. Can anyone make one sentence of did not?
I didn't used to study minutely.
Indrani, speak again.
I didn't used to study minutely.
I didn't
He
use.
used to study
Huh?
minutely.
I didn't used to study minutely. Acha,
Yes.
okay.
I didn't used to do meditation.
I didn't used to do meditation. Very good. मैं पहले नहीं करती थी, but now I have started. Very good. But now, guys, try to relate the sentences from your daily life. I'm very happy with Manju's sentence. Any more sentence?
I didn't used to sleep late nights.
I didn't used to sleep late night. Very
Actually,
good.
ma'am, I wanted to say
हाँ.
that I didn't used to study minutely the grammar portion.
हाँ, ग्रामर पोर्शन. हाँ, पहले मैं ग्रामर पोर्शन को इतना स्टडी नहीं करती थी, बट नाउ
हाँ.
आई हैव टेकन ऑन अ वेरी सीरियस.
Yes.
Right? Clear this thing? Didn't use.
Yes, ma'am.
So the structure, bus, what you have to keep into your mind, used to के बाद you always put the verb. Verb भी कौन सा? Mother
First,
form.
the
Mother form. Only keep this thing into your mind. Ruby, is it clear? Now, I have written some sentences. Some typo mistakes are there, guys. Please, abhi ke liye adjust karna. In the past, I didn't listen to music. I have written some sentences so that you can get the better clarity. In the past, I didn't listen to music. Now I listen to music often. Past में मैं music नहीं सुनती थी, but now I started to listen the music often. How you write this sentence into English? English में आप लिखेंगे आप I didn't used to listen to music. I didn't used to listen to music. What does it mean? I didn't used to listen to music means in the past I didn't listen, but now I have started. Means it is my now I'm becoming a new habit. It is becoming a new habit for me. Right? In the past, she did drink. She didn't drink. उसने past में उसने कभी drink नहीं करा. But now she drinks a lot. But अब वो बहुत drink करती है. So how to write? She didn't used to drink. She didn't used to drink. इसका मतलब उसने past में कभी drink नहीं करा था. But now she started to drink. तो इन दोनों sentences को combine करके we have written the sentence in the red color. Getting this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting? Sunil, getting?
Yes, ma'am.
She didn't drink, now she drinks a lot. या तो आप ऐसे ऐसे अलग अलग sentences आप बोल सकते हैं. She didn't drink, but now she's drinks a lot. Instead of saying these two sentences, you can just speak, she didn't used to drink.
Ma'am, can I say this is a past indefinite?
Which one?
Ma'am, in front of us, she didn't used to drink. It's a past indefinite.
Yes, this is a past. We are talking about the past now because whenever we talk about the used to, always we comes in the past. Used to का मतलब ही past के लिए है. If we talking in the negative, but obviously we have to use did not because past में क्या आता है? Did not आता है. Right? Sunil, यहाँ पर मैं I'm not focusing on this thing. Past ये तो past है, understood है, ये तो past है. But dear, where I'm going to focusing, understand
Ma'am,
that part.
I am relating with tenses.
नहीं तुम
these
टेंसेस
sentences.
से क्यों इसको रिलेट कर रहे हो? हमें रिलेट किससे करना है? Instead of writing two sentences separately, just merge these two sentences and frame a beautiful sentence. She didn't used to drink. She didn't used to drink का मतलब वो पहले drink नहीं करती थी, but now she starts to drink.
Yes. Yes.
ओके सपोज करो ये सेंटेंस बनाना हो कि मेरा बच्चा पहले नहीं मेरे से आर्ग्यूमेंट करता था बट अब वो आर्ग्यूमेंट करने लग गया है. कैसे बनाओगे सुनील इसको?
My child didn't used to argue with me.
My child didn't नहीं didn't speak again.
Yes.
Didn't. My
child didn't
didn't
used to
used to
argue with me.
argue with me. Excellent. मतलब पहले नहीं करता था बट अब उसने ये अब उसकी एक न्यू हैबिट बन गई है आर्ग्यूमेंट करनी. Are you getting this concept,
ma'am,
guys?
yes.
Very important concept this is. Manju Indrani, can you make any one sentence? Padma is also there. Yes, any one sentence. जैसे मंजू आपके लिए मैं पहले मेडिटेशन नहीं करती थी पर अब करने लगी हूँ. कैसे बनाओगे इसको इंग्लिश में?
I didn't used to do meditation.
I didn't used to do meditation. Very nice. पहले नहीं करती थी but now it becomes my new habit. So I started. पद्मा, मैं पहले लेट नहीं सोती थी लेकिन अब सोने लगी हूँ.
I didn't used to sleep late night.
Yes, I didn't used to sleep late night. Indrani, any one sentence from your end? In Hindi में मैं बोलूं? Will I try in Hindi? You will understand? Okay. मैं पहले डांस से प्यार नहीं करती थी पर अब करने लगी हूँ. बट अब डांस मेरा लाइफ हो गई है. कैसे बनाऊंगे इसको?
I didn't used to dance previously before, but now it's my life.
But now it is my life. I didn't used to love dancing. You can also say, or you can also say, I didn't used to dance earlier, but now it has become my life. Simple. दोनों sentences को merge करके एक में लिखते हैं. That you should. Didn't used to pronunciation is same. ठीक है, same pronunciation, but did not के साथ you have to use used to. Make sure this thing. Don't use used to. This is very important. Now, used to you can use in interrogative sentences also. Interrogative sentences. क्या आप smoke करते थे? क्या आप smoke किया करते थे? So कैसे बनाओगे? Did you used to have? अच्छा sorry, ये तो different आ गया. इसका structure देखो. First see the structure. Always start with did, then subject part, then used to, then mother. Did you used to have a lot of time? क्या आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा time हुआ करता था? Did you used to have really a short hair? क्या आपके छोटे बाल हुआ करते थे? Did you used to smoke? क्या आप smoke किया करते थे? मतलब here the person is asking about your past habit. The person is asking about your past habit, and if he or she is asking, so he or she will ask in the interrogative form. Did you used to meditate? Did you used to meditate? क्या आप meditation किया करते थे? Did you used to love dancing? क्या आप डांस से प्यार किया करते थे? Did you used to sleep late at night? क्या आप लेट सोया किया करते थे? So it's very simple. Okay. नेक्स्ट आता है आपका be plus used to plus noun plus ing. अब ये क्या बला आ गई है? be plus used to plus noun plus ing. ओके इसमें एक समथिंग इज मिसिंग. यहाँ पर आपका प्रोनाउन भी आना है, वो that I have inserted into the next slides. Used to is clear. Used to is clear. Didn't
Yes.
used to is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And did interrogative is clear. पक्का? Because I have made some questions. Now next आ रहा है हमारा be used to. Be used to. Where we have to use be used to. What are the members of be family? Is, am, are, was, were. Ruby, there is some network issue from your end, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
No worries, no worries. Ruby, I'm just recording the session. Okay? You just listen. Now, be used to. Now, be used to. Ruby, there's some noise at your end, dear. Be used to. अब यहाँ पर बी नहीं आप यूज करेंगे. यू कैन नॉट यूज बी. आप बी के मेंबर्स यूज करेंगे. व्हाट आर द मेंबर्स ऑफ बी? इज, एम, आर, was, were. ठीक है. So you have to keep this thing into your mind. What is the structure? Be. You मतलब subject तो आएगा आएगा. Subject will always come. Subject plus be used to plus noun or ing. नाउन आ सकता है या वर्ब के साथ ing आ सकता है. अब here we are talking about verb plus ing, so we are not talking about the present participle. Verb plus ing means
Present participle form.
no
Now,
Gerund.
noun.
Noun,
और इसको
substantive.
grammatical terms में क्या बोलते हैं? We already discussed this thing.
gerund.
Gerunds.
Gerund.
ठीक है? Here we are not talking about the present continuous tense, so don't get confused. Here the noun will come or either the gerunds will come. Gerunds means it is a form of noun but with the ing.
ING form.
Ab very important. Be used to where you have to use. In which situation you have to use be used to. First is when the things we are accustomed to. Accustomed matlab we are familiar. We are comfortable. The things we are comfortable with. The things that are normal for us. मतलब ऐसे things जिससे हम accustomed हैं, familiar है, हमारे लिए comfortable है, हमारे लिए normal है. In that case, we have to use be used to. Be used to. Like for example, maybe that is not normal for others, but for me, for us, this is normal. Let's see one example. Suppose, imagine you live in New York and a friend comes to visit you. You live in New York and a friend comes to visit you. Loud music outside. There's a lot of loud music outside. At night, you sleep like a baby. बच्चे की तरह आप सो रहे हो, बिल्कुल sound sleep. Your friend is on the other hand. दूसरी तरफ आपका friend सो रहा है. But couldn't sleep. आप तो सो गए, बिल्कुल आप सो गए एक बेबी की तरह, मतलब जिसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा कितना शोर है क्या है, बट आपका फ्रेंड जो है he couldn't sleep. Now the friend is asking, how on earth do you sleep with all that noise? I couldn't sleep at all. मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं सो पाया. Well, now the friend is saying, well, I am used to the noise. I am used to the noise. I don't even hear it. I am used to the noise. What does it mean? Means I am comfortable with this noise. I am accustomed with this noise. So whenever you are comfortable, whenever it is okay, मैं मतलब उस comfort zone में आ गया हूँ, this is normal for me. So then you have to use be used to. If you are talking about present, so आपको क्या use करना है? Is, am, are. Now is, am, are changes according to the subject. अगर यहाँ पर we होता तो क्या use करते? Instead of I,
We are
we are used to. You होता?
are.
You are.
She होता?
She is.
She is used to. She is used to the noise. I have, so that's why I have written I am used to the noise. So whenever you are comfortable, you are accustomed, you are normal for that things. So always use be plus used. Clear? Teenagers are used to studying. Teenagers are used to studying. Means why the teenagers are used to studying, why the teenagers are comfortable, why the teenagers are accustomed to studying, because they study every day. वो रोज पढ़ते हैं. They are better at studying than adults. Why? Because they are accustomed with the study. So they are used to they are used to, वो accustomed हो गए. Now, this is very important, guys, although it is not in the PPT, so I have made some separate sheets for you. Be used to is followed by a noun, pronoun, and gerunds. You be used to किस से follow होता है, मतलब उसके बाद क्या क्या आता है? कोई noun आ सकता है, कोई भी pronoun आ सकता है, कोई भी gerund आ सकता है. Used to में सुनील क्या आता है? What comes after used to?
After used to.
हाँ.
It's a verb.
Only verb. So please keep this thing into your mind. After used to, only the verb will come. But after be used to, either the noun can come, either the pronoun can come, or either the gerund can. This is very important. Sam is used to city life now. Sam जो है अब city life का आदी हो चुका है. हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं, जब हम बोलते हैं ना आदी होना, मतलब अब वो accustomed हो गया है, familiar हो गया है. So then you have to use be used to. Sam is used to city life now. So what is the noun here?
City.
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 City life. City life. City life. City life is a noun.
Sam is also noun.
हाँ, Sam तो होगा, but we are talking
Subject.
about the after.
Sam is subject,
after,
yeah.
Sam is a subject. Sam is a subject, but here we are talking about after be used to. What is coming? Either the noun or pronoun or gerund. She is used to them being late. What is the pronoun?
He,
Them.
them.
Them is a pronoun. She is used to them being late. What does it Hindi meaning?
Let उसका habit हो गया है.
हाँ, वह उसके देर से आने का आदी हो चुका है. He is used to, वह आदी हो चुका है. किस लिए? उसके देर से आने का. जिरन, आई एम यूज टू स्टडिंग लेट एट नाइट। अब स्टडिंग कैसे बनाया? वर्ब के साथ आपने ing लगा दिया। आई एम यूज टू स्टडिंग लेट एट नाइट मीन्स आई एम फेमिलियर विथ टू स्टडी लेट एट नाइट। आई एम यूज टू स्टडिंग लेट। नाउ यू कैन नॉट से आई एम यूज टू स्टडी लेट। स्टडी लेट अगर आप बोल रहे हैं तो दिस इज ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग। What you have to say, I am used to studying late.
Late at night.
Because अगर आप study लगाते हो तो क्या बन जाएगा? What का?
It's a verb. Then it's a verb.
It's a, oh so sorry, where is that slides? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ, so it becomes a verb. अगर सुनील, अगर मेरे को as a study use करना होता तो मैं क्या बनाती sentence को? हाँ, बोलो बोलो सुनील।
Then only I used to study late at night.
Very nice, very nice. I used to study late at night. सुनील, इसका हिंदी में क्या मतलब होता? I used to study late at night.
मैं पहले मतलब
हाँ, मुझे
लेट नाइट पढ़ने का आदी था पहले।
हाँ, मैं पहले लेट नाइट पढ़ने का आदी था, पास्ट में था। वेरी गुड, राइट। बट अगर हम ये बोल रहे हैं आई एम यूज टू स्टडिंग लेट एट नाइट, मतलब अब मेरे को इसकी हैबिट हो गया, अब आई एम वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल। मेरे को कोई ऐसा हेडेक नहीं होता, मेरे को कोई ऐसा नॉजिया सिकनेस कोई फील नहीं होता, बिकॉज नाउ आई एम यूज्ड टू। सो वेन एवर यू आर फेमिलियर, whenever you are accustomed with anything, so then you have to use be used to. Am I clear? हाँ हाँ
I used to study late at night means मैं पहले लेट पढ़ता था।
पढ़ता था, मैं पहले लेट पढ़ता था पास्ट में।
I am used to studying late मतलब अब मैं I am accustomed to
हाँ, I am comfortable, but अब मेरे को I don't have any problem right now. अब मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मेरे को ना नोजिया होता है, ना मेरे को कोई हेडेक होता है, because I am very much comfortable with that. So always take this word comfortable. Whenever you are comfortable, whenever you are familiar, then use be used to. Clear?
Grammar is never ending, ma'am. I never think about these types of sentences.
But
Really.
this is very, that's why I have written this is
I
very
know.
important
But
topic.
I used to का तो I
Used to is very simple. Used to is
but
very simple.
I am used to. I never think
हाँ,
about
बस
this. The meaning
अभी
is
तो
so
get,
different.
हाँ, अभी get used to भी आएगा मंजू, get used to.
It's never ending process. Grammar is really.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Really.
अब देखो, I am used to waking up. I am used to waking up early. This is used as a, this is used as a, बताओ, this is used as a
मैं आदी हो चुका हूँ।
gerund. हाँ, मैं अब comfortable हो जाऊँ। Don't use the word आदि, say the word comfortable.
Comfortable.
I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable to wake up. But waking, there is not a present participle, my dear students. I'm telling you again and again. This is a gerund. This is a gerund. अगर ये verb हो जाता तो फिर आपको क्या रिमूव करना पड़ता है यहाँ से?
And
am आपको रिमूव।
I used to wake up early.
I used to, but it becomes your past habit. Past habit. I am used to spicy food.
I am used to spicy food.
हाँ. What is used here?
Eating.
मैं स्पाइसी फूड खाने का कंफर्टेबल।
हाँ, but what is here?
Yeah.
It is a noun. It is a noun here. It is a noun here. It is a noun here. We are used to it. We are used to it. हम इसके comfortable हो गए हैं. We are used to it. Pronoun. Pronoun. So pronoun is missing. So that's why I told ki just write down pronoun. So be used to is always followed with noun,
Pronoun,
gerunds and pronouns. Pronouns. देखो, suppose we can take this as an example. मैंने लिखा भी हुआ था, हाँ, जैसे suppose करो, during COVID, I have started my classes online. तो मैं इसको कैसे बनाऊंगी? I
used to start my class.
Used to start.
I am I used to start my class at
हाँ।
Gobin.
हाँ, इसको हम ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं इंद्रानी, I used to get nervous. I used to get nervous in the front of camera. ठीक है, जब सब इमेजिन करो 2021 का टाइम है, everyone was booming the online classes, but I used to get nervous in front of the camera. जैसे ही कैमरे में देखना था, so I used to get nervous. I used to get nervous. वो मेरा एक हैबिट था, right? I was not use of it. I was not used of it. क्योंकि मैं उसकी आदी नहीं थी, मैं उसकी आदी नहीं थी. But after practice, I will
used to habituated with the Zoom.
I will get used to. अब हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं get का use.
Okay.
Getting? I used to get nervous. I used to get nervous in front of the camera.
Yeah.
ठीक है, पहले मैं कैमरे को लेके एकदम नर्वस हो जाती थी. I was not used to it. I was not used to it. मैं उसकी कंफर्टेबल नहीं थी, उस सिचुएशन के, उस एनवायरनमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं थी. Past tense, so I was not used of it. It लगा दिया pronoun. But after doing lot of practice, मैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग accustomed हो जाऊंगी. मतलब अभी मैं हुई नहीं हूं, but I am trying. So I will get used of it. I will get used of it. So now we are learning this thing.
Ma'am, I have one question. May I?
Yes, Asha.
Ma'am, I think we can use only used to for past tense and be used to
हाँ.
for present tense.
No, it's not always used कि be. देखो Asha, there are the many members of be na, is, am, are, that we can use in present. But what about was and were?
Yes, ma'am.
Was and were we can use for the past tense.
Okay.
But whenever we are talking about the past habits, used to. और उसको past habits का अगर negative बनाना है तो didn't you have to use.
Didn't.
But whenever we are not accustomed, whenever we are not familiar, whenever we are not comfortable with that, so then you can use was not, were not.
Okay. ma'am.
That you can also use. ठीक है?
Okay. Yes, got it.
ओके, चलो जी. अब ये एग्जांपल्स मैंने लिखे हैं, वेरी हेल्पफुल एग्जांपल्स. इससे तो एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो जाएगा. बी यूज टू का मतलब होता है टू बी एक्स्टम्ड. एक्स्टम्ड का मतलब होता है फेमिलियर हो जाना, उसमें मतलब फेमिलियर, कंफर्टेबल हो जाना. सपोज सिचुएशन है आपके पास. व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन? ही वेक्स अप एट 6 AM एवरी डे. वह रोज सुबह 6 बजे उठता है. देन ही गोज फॉर अ रन. फिर वो दौड़ने के लिए जाता है. इट्स हिज डेली रूटीन. वह उसका डेली रूटीन है. तो मतलब क्या हो गया, अब वो उस एनवायरनमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग क्या हो गया है,
Comfortable
हो गया, कंफर्टेबल हो गया, फेमिलियर हो गया. मतलब डेली अब वो 6 बजे उठता है, 6 बजे उठते ही वो दौड़ने निकल जाता है. तो इसको, इन तीनों सेंटेंसेस को अलग अलग लिखने की जगह अगर आप ये लिख देंगे, he is used to getting up early and going for a run, meaning is same. Meaning is same. आपने क्या बनाया? He is used to. He is used to. Because why is used to? He के साथ क्या आएगा? Is आएगा. Here we are talking about the present. Why present? Because wakes आया है word. Verb क्या आया है? Wakes. So it is a present tense. He के साथ present का कौन सा फॉर्म आएगा? Be फॉर्म का is आएगा. He is used to. Then you have to use gerund form. gerund form, noun form या फिर pronoun form आपको यूज करना है. gerund form क्या होता है? verb के साथ ing बना. तो getting up. आप waking up भी यूज कर सकते हो. That is also okay. Waking up. He is used to waking up early and going for a run. Instead of writing the 3 sentences separately, you have to make one sentence in a more polished way. Getting this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting this concept, Sunil? Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Padma? Padma, are you there? Papia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है मेरे को लगा पद्मा सोने तो नहीं चले गए
नहीं.
अच्छा ओके
Yes,
यस
Yes,
पापिया
ma'am.
आर यू लिसनिंग
yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसी का प्रेजेंटेशन विल बी
Okay,
गिवन बाय
ma'am.
पापिया वेरी नाइस ओके नाउ द अनदर सेकंड एग्जांपल देखो सी मंजू रीड द एग्जांपल
I am from Canada. Canada is cold. I am comfortable with the cold.
आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद द इतना लंबा लंबा क्यों बोलना आई एम फ्रॉम कनाडा ठीक है कनाडा इज कोल्ड आई एम कंफर्ट मतलब आई एम द फेमिलियर विद द कोल्ड ऑफ कनाडा सो हम क्या बोलेंगे आई एम
I'm
यूज्ड टू द
Used to
कोल्ड
the cold.
आई एम यूज्ड टू द कोल्ड ऑफ कनाडा भी लिख सकते हो आप
Yes, yes.
आई एम यूज्ड टू द कोल्ड ऑफ कनाडा हाँ जी सुनील
Woman, from my side, this sound is not from my side.
यस सुनील
This sound is not from my side.
but now I want the sound from your side especially from your mouth just make one sentence
From which word?
वरना कुछ भी जो भी समझ आया है आई एम कंफर्टेबल में
I am used to the summer, yeah, hot of the India.
I am used to
The hot, yeah, summer season.
हाँ
Yeah, hot of India.
छोड़ो फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस थिंग आई एम गिविंग यू वन सिचुएशन इन हिंदी उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करो तुम्हारे ने मेरे को सेंटेंसेस कम समझ आते हैं इसको जरा ट्रांसलेट करो मैं आईडीक्यू के क्लासेस के शेड्यूल से कंफर्टेबल हो गया हूं बनाओ इसको
I am used to the schedule of IDQ classes.
आई एम पद्मा
Used
हाँ
to
हाँ ओके आई एम यूज्ड टू
the schedule of IDQ classes
ओके आई एम यूज्ड टू
with the schedule of.
Schedule the classes of IDQ value adder.
पद्मा अगेन स्पीक
Excuse me. I am used to comfortable with the classes of IDQ value adder.
I am used to comfortable. Okay, I am used.
Or else I am used to be
What
with
is
the
comfortable? Okay, Padma, now what is comfortable? What is comfortable?
Ma'am, I am used to the class of IDQ.
I
I'm
am
used-
used to the classes of
The
IDQ.
classes of
This is
IDQ.
also बिल्कुल. Padma, because comfortable, ABLE से end हो रहा है. So it becomes
adjective.
adjective. लेकिन be used to के बाद क्या आता है?
Verb या
Noun.
pronoun
Verb
या
नहीं आता. Noun, gerund,
Noun, pronoun, gerund.
gerund. तो ये कैसे आएगा आपका comfortable तो आ ही नहीं सकता.
नहीं, wait, I am used to
I am used to the classes or I am
classes of
used to the schedule of IDQ. Simple. Simple. Very nice, Sunil. Excellent.
Here schedule will become the noun.
हाँ,
And-
schedule is a noun, ना? Schedule is a noun. या फिर आप हाँ, I am used to getting the schedule of IDQ. This is also right. I am used to getting the schedule of IDQ because getting is a gerund. Getting is a gerund. Aisha, this is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. पास्ट में अगर आपको यूज करना है तो was were and not आप यूज कर सकते हैं ठीक है that is simple. I'm not taking so much time. I work in a kindergarten. It is very noisy. I am not used to the noise. जब आप comfortable नहीं हैं so then you can use not in the negative form. If you are comfortable so then you can use noise. There, suppose Asha is a kindergarten teacher. Okay, and if Sunil is asking, oh my God, Asha, how you can live in that noise? So Asha कह रही है यार मैं kindergarten की teacher हूँ और मेरे को उस noise की adjustment हो गई है, मतलब I'm comfortable. तो आशा इसको कैसे बनाऊंगी इंग्लिश में?
I'm used to the noise.
Yes, I am used to the noise. Khatam. I am used to the noise. Noise, what is noise here?
Noun.
Noun. Very good. Noise is a noun. I am used to the noise. Suppose इंद्रानी is taking the dance classes और बहुत loud music होता है, बहुत loud music होता है. If Manju is asking, क्योंकि मंजू है meditation वाले, इंद्रानी है बहुत ज्यादा loud music. If Manju is asking to इंद्रानी कि इंद्रानी कैसे manage करते हो इतना loud noise? So now इंद्रानी, what you will say in English?
I'm used to
I'm
this
used to the noise of my classes.
noise of myself.
Yes, I'm used to the noise of classes. Manju, if you want to say, मैं तो noise में comfortable नहीं हूँ. बनाओ.
I'm not used to the noise.
I'm not used to the noise. I'm not used to the noise. Simple. So review we have already discussed. Used to हम use करते हैं whenever we are talking about something that was true in the past. True in the past. I used to be a professional swimmer. मैं professional swimmer हुआ करता था. Something that we are accustomed to, उसके लिए हम use करते हैं be used. I am used to staying at home because of the quarantine. I am used to staying. What does it mean in Hindi?
घर में रहना पसंद करते थे क्वारंटाइन में.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे को comfortable, मैं comfortable हो गया था.
हाँ.
पसंद नहीं है यहाँ पर, इंद्रानी यहाँ पर है, मैं
हाँ, yes,
comfortable हो
I'm
गया था.
accustomed or
हाँ, मैं
comfortable.
comfortable हो गया था क्वारंटाइन की वजह से. I
Actually.
am used to staying. देखो देखने में, समझने में it becomes very weird. अरे ये staying word तो सही नहीं लग रहा, तो आप क्या बोल देंगे? To stay, but to stay is wrong. You have to use gerund. You cannot use verb. Done? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Next आता है आपका get used to. Get used to. Now get, Sunil, just read it where you have to use get used to.
Adapt.
To adapt. When we are adapting something. When we are adapting something, मतलब अभी हम अपने आप को उसमें ढाल रहे हैं. We are trying to adapt. अभी मैं उसमें comfortable नहीं हूं, but still I am trying. अगर comfortable है तो क्या यूज करूंगे? Be used to. Past habit है, क्या यूज करेंगे? Used to. But if I'm trying to adapt, so then what I have to use? Get used to.
Get used.
चलो जी, समझो इसको. This work schedule is terrible. This work schedule is terrible. Suppose Indrani is asking to Padma, यार Indrani or Padma, this work schedule is terrible. Working the night shift is killing me. रात को काम करना मेरे को बहुत वो कर रहा है. Yeah, it's hard at the beginning. Now the Padma is saying to Indrani, yeah, it's hard at the beginning. But don't worry. You will get used to working nights. You will get used to working nights. Means don't worry, you will adapt this habit in future. So whenever you are talking about adapting anything, मतलब अपने comfort zone को छोड़कर आप किसी चीज को adapt कर रहे हैं, so then you have to use get used to. Get used to. Okay, hi Reshma. Just joined?
Yes, ma'am. Our DMP session is going on. no, ma'am?
Okay. Very nice, very nice. So get used to. Get used to मतलब when we are trying to adapt something. So in that case, we have to use get used to. Get आप got भी बोल सकते हैं. If we are talking about past, तो क्या use करेंगे instead of get?
Got.
Got. आगे पूरा बोलो. Got.
Used to.
Used to.
Got used to. If you are talking about future, then
Will get used to.
Will get it.
Will get used to. And if we are talking about present, then
Getting used to.
Then get used to. Get used to only. Get
Get.
used to. बट बेसिकली हम ये यहाँ पर यूज करते हैं, जैसे फॉर नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं, आई मूव्ड फ्रॉम अ विलेज टू अ बिजी सिटी। मैं विलेज से बिजी सिटी में मूव हुआ। एट फर्स्ट द नॉइज बॉदर्ड मी। पहले पहल नॉइस ने मुझे बड़ा बॉदर करा। नाउ द नॉइज डजंट बॉदर मी। अब नॉइस मुझे बॉदर नहीं करती है। व्हाई? बिकॉज आई गॉट यूज्ड टू द नॉइस। I got used to the noise क्योंकि मैं उस noise को मैंने अडेप्ट कर लिया है। I got used to the noise. Past tense whenever we are talking about the adaptation. Adaptation. When we are talking about the adaptation, so then we have to use get. Get used to. When we are comfortable in that, be used to. Get used to कहाँ आता है? Same pronoun plus ing form plus noun. I have written some sentences also. Meanwhile, these sentences are also coming. She got to used it after a while. She got used to swimming every day. Jim got used to the job quickly. I am still getting used to everything. मैं धीरे धीरे हर चीज को अडेप्ट कर रही हूँ। आई एम स्टिल गेटिंग यूज टू एवरीथिंग। यू विल गेट यूज टू टीचिंग ऑनलाइन। आप ऑनलाइन टीचिंग को अडेप्ट कर लेंगे बाय हैविंग द लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। यू विल गेट यूज टू। यू विल गेट यूज टू टीचिंग ऑनलाइन। like for example if I want to say this thing, जैसे सपोज करो आजकल एआई का बहुत, देयर इज अ बूम ऑफ एआई। इफ यू आर सेइंग, मैं आई एम सेइंग कि ओके ना, यू जस्ट यूज द सम एआई एप्लीकेशंस, यू जस्ट यूज सम एआई एप्स एंड ट्राई टू मेक द डिफरेंट पीपीटीज। बट नाउ द क्वेश्चन, नाउ द आंसर इज कमिंग कि मैम बनाओ इसको, इंग्लिश में कैसे बनाओगे? मुझे एआई एप्स नहीं आती हैं, मतलब मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूं। बनाओ।
I
I'm
didn't even.
not,
I
I'm not used to AI app.
I am not used to AI apps भी बोल सकते हो, और I am not used to get the AI apps, और I am not used to ऐप के साथ हम क्या वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं? Applying. I am not used to applying the AI apps. ठीक है। बट सपोज करो इंद्रानी इज सेइंग कि नो मंजू आप सीख जाओगे, बाय डूइंग द प्रैक्टिस आप सीख जाओगे। कैसे इसको बनाओगे? मतलब आप इस एआई एप्स को बनाने की जो टेक्निक है उसमें अडेप्ट हो जाओगे।
You will get used to
Used to.
हाँ,
AI app.
yes, you
Yeah,
will get
used to
used to
applying AI app.
applying AI app. You will get used to applying AI app.
Adapt कर लेंगे near future.
हाँ, so whenever you are talking about adapting something, so then you have to use get used.
Got it.
Sunil, read this. वो थोड़ा सा difficult था ना? Now Sunil, it would be easier for you.
At my new job, I have to start work
At 7
a.m.
मेरी न्यू जॉब पे मुझे 7 बजे अपना काम स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है। नेक्स्ट।
It's so hard to wake up early.
हाँ, बहुत मुश्किल होता है सुबह उठना।
I am still trying to adapt to my new schedule.
हाँ, बट स्टिल मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? मैं अडेप्ट कर रही हूँ कि मैं अपना न्यू शेड्यूल अडेप्ट करने की मैं मतलब ट्राई कर रही हूँ। तो आई एम अडेप्टिंग, आई एम ट्राइंग। तो इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बनाओगे?
I am getting used to waking up early.
हाँ, मैं मतलब जल्दी
उठने की आदत को अडेप्ट
कर रही हूँ।
हाँ
तो आई एम गेटिंग यूज टू वेकिंग अप अर्ली। अभी मतलब देखो, गेटिंग आप कहाँ यूज करेंगे माय डियर स्टूडेंट? अभी वो जो आदत है वो अभी पूरी नहीं हुई है। यू आर जस्ट trying by putting
Trying.
your efforts, by putting your efforts. So if you are trying to adapt, so then you have to use get.
And when I will be comfortable, then I am
then I am used to. I am used to
waking up
waking.
early.
I am
now
used
I am
to.
comfortable.
हाँ, now I am comfortable. तो मंजू इसको कैसे बोलोगे? अब
I
मैं
am
हाँ
I am used to waking up early.
हाँ
अब मैं
मैं
comfortable
हाँ I am used to waking
waking
up early.
early.
और अगर सपोज करो मैम नहीं उठा जाता जल्दी, बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है, बट स्टिल मैम आई एम ट्राइंग, स्टिल आई एम ट्राइंग, आई एम getting used to waking up early. I'm getting used.
Yes, ma'am.
So at my new job, my boss is very karush, and he didn't don't understand anything. So that I am getting used to working with him.
I'm getting used to working with him.
Working with him.
Yes, yes. मतलब I'm trying. देखो भाई, I cannot leave the job because there is so much unemployment. I cannot leave the job at any cost. So what I can do, I'm just trying to adapt to work with my Khadus boss. So I'm getting used to working with him. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I started this job 2 months ago. I'm still getting used to everything. Still मैं हर चीज को करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. There is so much for me to learn. बहुत कुछ है मेरे को सीखने के लिए. Am I completely comfortable? Am I closely becoming comfortable? Am I getting used to everything? So the answer is that you are getting used to
Everything.
everything. Getting. I am new to online teaching. I think it is very difficult. I prefer teaching in classroom. Am I completely comfortable? No. मैं comfortable तो नहीं हूँ. अगर comfortable होती तो क्या आ जाता है यहाँ पर?
I
am used to. I am used to आ जाता. I am used to आ जाता. ठीक है? Is A going to get comfortable with practice? क्या जो A है? A क्या है? Who is A?
I am
Yes. Online teacher.
Person.
Online teacher. Is A going to get used to teaching online? Is A going to get used to teaching online? What does it mean?
Comfortable. A is whether she is comfortable or not.
Comfortable with online teaching or not?
Comfortable
Yeah.
with online teaching or not, but he is trying to adapt this
Trying to adapt this. Yes.
platform. Don't worry, you will get used to teaching online. You will get used to, matlab, you will adapt this teaching online.
Habituated.
Habitual. Matlab trying. You will try. You are
Yes.
adapting. My girlfriend wears this really powerful perfume. Comfortable तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता. Am I completely comfortable? No. Am I slowly becoming comfortable? No. They cannot get used to the smell. My friend wears this really powerful perfume. मेरी फ्रेंड ने जो है ये काफी पावरफुल परफ्यूम उसने लगाई है, बट मैं बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ. ठीक है, मतलब मैं उस चीज को अडेप्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. I cannot just get used to the smell. मतलब मैं उस स्मेल को अडेप्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. कर सकता हूँ. Cannot की इंग्लिश हो गई सकता हूँ. I cannot get used to the smell. मैं उस स्मेल को बर्दाश्त ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ, उसको अडेप्ट ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तो इंग्लिश बनाओगे I cannot get used to the smell.
And what about the down wala completely new? What is the meaning of?
Completely new का मतलब होता है मंजू की that is very unfamiliar for us, that is out of our comfort zone, but still we are trying to adapt. मतलब वो हमारे बिल्कुल completely new होता है. So whenever there is a completely new for us and we are trying to adapt that situation, so in that case we have to use get used.
And you have written the sentences half part of the page and down also. So what is the meaning? You have to, you want to
देखो
clear it down. That is
हाँ
why
हाँ
you are
सिंपल
using
देखो
down.
क्वेश्चन क्या है क्वेश्चन है माय फ्रेंड वियर्स दिस रियली पावरफुल परफ्यूम इसमें है मैं बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील कर रहा हूँ आई एम नॉट
हाँ,
फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल ठीक है तो इसमें आ रहा है एम आई कंप्लीटली कंफर्टेबल नो
no,
मैं
हाँ,
कंफर्टेबल ही फील नहीं कर रहा हूँ एम आई स्लोली बिकमिंग कंफर्टेबल नहीं जब मैं कंप्लीटली कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूं तो स्लो और फास्ट का तो गेम ही नहीं है दे कैन नॉट गेट यूज टू द स्मेल दे कैन नॉट गेट यूज टू द स्मेल को आप ये भी लिख सकते हो आई कैन नॉट गेट यूज टू बोथ आर सेम आई अगर आई लिख रहे हो तो सिर्फ गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए आ रहा है दे लिख रहे हो तो मोर देन पीपल के लिए आ रहा है तो कहने का मतलब है इफ यू कैन नॉट अडेप्ट दैट सिचुएशन सो देन यू कैन यूज कैन नॉट गेट यूज टू अभी देयर आर सम मोर एग्जांपल्स सो देन यू विल लर्न आई यूज्ड टू यूज क्रचेस व्हाट डज इट मीन पद्मा
मैं क्रचेस में जाया करता था।
हाँ मैं क्रचेस यूज किया करता था यूज यूज किया करता क्रचेस यू नो व्हाट आर द क्रचेस वो जो बैसाखियां होती हैं हिंदी में हम बैसाखियां बोलते हैं
जी मैम।
आई एम यूज टू यूजिंग क्रचेस
अब मैं कंफर्टेबल उसे यूज करने में।
हाँ मैं आप कंफर्टेबल मुझे कहीं पर भी ले जाओ आई एम यूज टू यूजिंग क्रचेस नेक्स्ट
आई एम गेटिंग यूज टू
using
मैं
crutches।
अडेप्ट मतलब ये अडेप्ट कर रहा हूँ उसे।
मतलब आई
इसलिए
एम
trying,
ट्राइंग
I'm
टू
trying.
मतलब अभी मेरा रिसेंटली एक्सीडेंट हुआ है गाइस इसका मतलब है रिसेंटली आई अंडरवेंट विद एन एक्सीडेंट right but I'm trying to adapt I'm getting frustrated but still I'm trying I'm getting used to using crutches I cannot get used to using crutches means मैं उसको adapt ही नहीं कर सकता
I just can't
I
get
just cannot get used to using crutches
तो कोई उम्मीद ही नहीं है वो
हाँ अब
करने का।
मैं कर ही नहीं सकता कोई सेकंड ऑप्शन देखो मेरे लिए I cannot adapt this yes Now the difference between get used to and be used to, as I already told you, जब आप not okay से okay में आते हैं, when you are coming from not okay to okay means आप अपने comfort zone से अपने routine में आते हैं, you are adapting something new. So then you have to use get used to. Get used to means to become comfortable with the situation, right? And be used to होता है you are already comfortable. You are already comfortable with the situation. That's right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready for the quiz? Only the 4 questions. Only the 4 questions, guys. And I have made, I'm not taking, I have made some different questions. Ready? Asha, Papya, Reshma, please listen carefully. Okay? Very different questions I have made. ये वो वाला सिंपल वाला क्विज नहीं है कि वो आपसे आ जाएंगे उसमें आपको फिल करना है वो मैं घर के लिए दे वो होमवर्क में दे दूंगी वो कर लेना yes the quiz is different yes let's start with Sunil just read it
In the past, I played the violin.
हाँ
No, I don't.
now I don't हाँ कौन सा सर instead of saying this in the past I played the violin but now I don't so instead of saying these sentences which sentence would you prefer from number 1, 2, 3
Number 1 is right. I
speak.
used to play the violin.
Yes, I used to play the violin. I used to play the violin. मतलब मैं पहले बजाता था अब नहीं बजाता अब नहीं बजाता I used to play the violin. I used to play the guitar. मैं पहले गिटार बजाता था लेकिन अब नहीं बजाता I used to play the guitar. I used to shout on my kids. I used to shout on my kids. मैं पहले अपने बच्चों पे चिल्लाती थी अब नहीं चिल्लाती थी because now they are becoming the teenager. So whatever the reason you can. Yes, Indrani.
Last year I started a new job. It took me some time to adjust to the workload. I used to the workload. I'm getting used to the workload. Or I am used to the workload now.
One option is right. Again read the question, Indrani. Hint is in the question.
Last year I started a new job. It took me some time to adjust to the work. I'm used to the workload now
Why?
because at that time I was started the new job. Sometimes I taken the to adjust it, but now I'm used to the workload now.
Because here the mention is this took me. Took मतलब past tense. इसने कुछ टाइम लिया मुझे एडजस्ट होने में, मतलब टाइम लिया, अब मैं कंफर्टेबल हो चुका हूं. Now I am comfortable. So that's why absolutely right, Indrani. I am used to the workload now.
Workload now.
I am used to the workload now because took word यहाँ पर आ गया. Padma,
That's right. My girlfriend and I have just moved in together. It's hard to live with someone new. Little by little, I am trying to adapt to living with her. I am getting used to living with my girlfriend
why?
because little by little, I am trying to adapt.
हाँ, because now I'm trying to adapt. अभी मैं
Adapt.
देखो उसके साथ बिल्कुल रहना मैं वो नहीं हुआ है, but I'm trying to living with
Trying
her. So trying आते ही क्या वर्ड आ जाएगा? Getting used.
Getting used to.
Getting used. Manju,
Ever since I was a kid, I went rock climbing. Rock climbing is like second nature to me. Ever since I was a kid, I went. Rock is like second nature. I used to do rock climbing. I got used to rock climbing. I am used to rock climbing. I am used to rock climbing.
why?
Because rock climbing is like second nature to me. Now I'm comfortable.
Asha,
Ma'am, I'm used to
I
rock
used
climbing.
to. I used to go rock climbing.
I
A1.
used to A. Asha, what's your opinion?
I'm used to rock climbing.
Okay,
ma'am.
see, you are with Manju. Reshma, what's your opinion?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, see, already second. I used to go rock.
Okay, Padma. Okay, you go with Padma. Indrani and Sunil.
Ever since
Same.
I started rock
I
climbing,
go with A.
I'm used to rock climbing.
I used to go rock climbing.
50-50 हो गया.
हाँ,
Yeah.
वही मैं कह रही थी. Three. Now Papia is left. Now Papia is left. Papia, can you share your input?
I got used to rock climbing.
I got तो हो ही नहीं सकता. The correct answer is I am used to. I am used to rock climbing.
Yes, I am. Yes.
Why? Because now we are comfortable.
Now it's a comfortable. Yes.
देखो, I went rock climbing लिखा है. जैसे ही went आया तो you spoke used to. But read the second line ना. Now the rock, Manju was very right on her part because Manju clicked this. Rock climbing is like the second nature. मतलब
Now I'm comfortable.
very comfortable with that.
पहले जाता था पर जाता था.
अगर देखो I went rock climbing होता तो then your answer is right. I used to. Then it is perfectly okay. लेकिन उसके साथ एक second line भी तो चिपक गई. उसको कौन पढ़ेगा?
लेकिन ever since I was kid बोले ना मैं उधर कंफ्यूज हो गई.
नहीं, वही तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना ना पद्मा. अगर हमारा सेंटेंस सिर्फ यहाँ तक होता, ever since I was kid, I went rock climbing, वहां तक ठीक था आपका I used to go. लेकिन उसके साथ अब हमने एक लाइन ये भी तो लिख दी ना, या वो कंफर्टेबल हो गया क्योंकि उसका सेकंड नेचर हो गया.
सेकंड नेचर.
ठीक है, तो इन दिस वे यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है, प्लस ये जो तुम्हारा राइट रॉन्ग है, ट्रू फॉल्स है, ये आई विल शेयर. ये बहुत सिंपल है. दैट इज नॉट द टास्क फॉर यू.
We will do assignment tomorrow.
हाँ, that you will do in the assignment.